Hey there, everyone. It's Mrs. D, and I'm coming at you with a tip for commercial teachers. Like, subscribe, hit your notification button, and show me some love in the comment, especially if this video is helpful to you. So, commercial teaching it's wonderful because it gives you the freedom to do whatever you want, but at the same time, there's all this copyright infringement aura over it, right? We're all worried about how we might infringe on somebody's copyright issues, and we have to look at the copyright laws and we have to look at fair use, and there's a lot of debate on that. And so this video should be able to help you out a little bit with that. And so, it's really hard to get through all of that stuff when you don't work in copywriting, and you're not a lawyer, so you don't understand all the jargon of it. And I'm in that boat with you guys. I don't understand it 100%. I don't know what's okay to use and what's not okay to use. So there's some workarounds to this, okay? And a lot of that is we'll pay for a license to use it, or pay for the pro account for Canva or the pro account for PicMonkey. Okay, so if you're anything like me, I don't have the money to be paying for all these pro accounts, right? I'm cheap. I don't have the money. I've got a big family, whatever, right? So I'm going to bring you to Google. I love Google for so many reasons. Google is accessible from any device, so you can use your iPad, you can use your HP computer, you can use your Mac computer, you can use your phone. You can still access just about anything on your Google Drive from any of these devices. So you're able to hold your class really virtually from anywhere with any device, right? So there's that. And the other big thing is that it's free. It's free. You can use an email, documents, slideshow presentations, forms, Excel sheets, all for free, and all, again, accessible from anywhere. So I am a huge fan of Google Slides. I tend to use it way more than Canva or PowerPoint presentations or PicMonkey or any of those other things. And even though like it's a little bit more limited than them as far as your animations and making things pop and things like that, there are tips and tricks to getting things in there. So if you want me to create a master course on some things that I know how to do with Google, leave me a comment and let me know. And if I get enough people who are actually interested, I will go ahead and create it. I already have something that I teach on Outschool, so it would be very easy to modify it so that you guys can learn how to make your own stuff to make your classes, bring them up to that next level. But anyway, what we're here for today is to look at this, okay? This is the most amazing thing for you guys, especially for those of us who cannot or will not pay for pro accounts for everything. So you can see here I have open a Google slide. I'm going to just delete this. All I did was draw a box around it with my mouse and click delete, and that gives you a nice blank slide. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to insert, and we're going to go to insert an image, search the web. And when we do that, over here on the side comes up this pane, right? And so let's say we're going to create a conversation class for ESL students, and we're going to use pictures as prompts to get them talking, because we all know that's immersive, that's helpful to get people talking when we immerse them in like a real life situation type of thing. So we're going to do family meal. Okay, and let's go ahead and look at what comes up for family meals. And for the sake of time, I'm just going to choose one real quick. Let's do this top one, and take a look at the the little magnifying glass, right? This is the big tip. This is what this video is all about. This is it. When we do that, down at the bottom, this says image is labeled for commercial use with modification. Wait, what? Commercial use with modification. Free. Free high quality images. This is not the best example of a high quality image, but there are tons of other free images that are high quality that are labeled for commercial use for free. You don't have to keep going to Upsplash and finding them and then downloading it and uploading it and everything else. You can find just about everything right here on Google, okay? And it's free. So all of these pictures that you're going to see come up, you click that magnifying glass and it's going to say free. Commercial use with modification. That means we as commercial teachers can use these. We can use these. Okay, but I don't want to use images. Got you covered. That's fine. Let's say you want to create a zoo. Okay, a story about the zoo, and the main guy is going to be a tiger. So let's go with a cartoon tiger. Cartoon tiger. Again, all of these choices that are coming up for you guys that we see here, like this cute little one right here. Unfortunately, if you do see that checkered background, it's going to show on your slide. So keep that in mind. It has to actually be clear. It has to be white on the background. But look, this cute tiger, free, free. And a lot of the times you can find other animals related to it, okay? So if you want transparent backgrounds, you go ahead and put that in, right? Transparent backgrounds, and then it's going to show you hopefully maybe that cute little one. Ah, we ruined it. Okay. But anyway, just play with it like that. Okay, look. These are going to be your transparent background ones. Again, if it has the checkers, it's not. Don't waste your time looking at those ones. And then maybe if you put like baby, okay, and play around with it and get that and, create your zoo just using Google Images for free. So keep that in mind, guys, that you can use any image that comes up on the Google search, and you click that. And I haven't found one that is not commercial use with modification. I haven't found that. And with modification means you can change the color, you can cut it, you can crop it, you can um, cut its legs off. You can do whatever you want. You can modify it. So, in the sake of not making this video too long, that is my tips and trick for you about Google. The big news is that you can use any image that you want. They're commercial use free. The other thing is for extensions, you can add on an extension. And as you can see here, I have Unsplash. I said Upsplash. I have Unsplash. So I have an extension that allows Unsplash on Google, so I can actually search Unsplash as well if I want one of those kind of photos. So keep that in mind too. If you like to use Unsplash, you can easily insert them into your Google Slides as well. So, all right, so that's the big trip. That's the big news about Google Slides. Free commercial use images. Go get creating. Like, subscribe, hit your notification buttons. Thanks a lot, everyone.